In this video, we'll discuss how to simplify units. You have simple and compound units. Compound units are just simple units that have been multiplied or divided. Simple units can be either base or prefixed units, like centimeters. Centi is the prefix. When you simplify compound units, one way to do it is just simply combining simple units. Meters times meters is meters squared. Grams times meters would be grams times meters squared. Or if you have a fraction like grams over centimeters squared times centimeters, you have grams over centimeters cubed. Compound units can be simplified by canceling simple units like this. Meters divided by meters cancels because meters over meters is 1, just like any number divided by itself is 1. This is also true for symbols and units. Meters cubed over meters squared is just meters. And then centimeters over centimeters to the fourth is centimeters cubed. Everything else is the same, grams on top, and then centimeters cubed on the bottom because we cancel the centimeters. If you break it down, it looks like this. Centimeters cubed is the same thing as centimeters times centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. And then, of course, centimeters on top and bottom cancel, leaving you centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, which is centimeters cubed. Now, this is also true when you're doing conversions. So if we look at our units, we can see that liters cancel, liters on top, liters on bottom. We know that moles cancel, moles on top, moles on bottom. The only unit left over is grams. Here's another example. Liters on top, liters on bottom, cancel. Moles on top, moles on bottom, cancel. What's left? Grams over milliliters, and that is your unit, grams over milliliters. It gets a little tricky when you have a fraction in the denominator. So here's a fraction. Grams over moles is a fraction. Moles over liters, another fraction. So we have to multiply by the reciprocal. Looks like that. Remember, originally we had grams over moles and we had moles over liters. See? Grams over moles, moles over liters. So we flip them. We flip the units. And then we can cancel. So grams over grams cancels. Liters over liters cancel. Moles over moles cancel. What's left? Milliliters. Again, another example of this. Notice the fraction in the denominator we have to multiply by the reciprocal. So we flip it. Grams over moles becomes moles over grams. And then we cancel. Grams over grams cancels. Milliliters over milliliters cancels. What's left? Moles over liters. That's your answer.